Yo, how's it going, everybody? Just want to make this quick video to show you the exact things that I did for a potential client of mine, or this is what you can expect if you want some help with marketing and you come to me. This is the things that you can expect before becoming a paying client. Okay, so we have this potential client, Paradise Barbershop. I'm gonna show you the things that we did for him before he even pay us for anything. This is fucking for free, by the way. So first of all, what we did was we saw that he doesn't have a business Facebook page, right? So we created that for him. We put in the logo, we put in the bio, we put in the booking link. We basically have everything set up for him in the settings so that we can just transfer the ownership, right? And we also created a banner for him. Like, I think this looks pretty pretty. Okay, so after that, we actually created three image ads for him. So normally, and we actually promised him three image ads, but I wanted to do more. Right, I wanted to provide more value. Okay, so I created a different option for him. So we have image ad one, option two, option one, option two, option three, and so on and so forth. The how all of this here for image ads, and on top of that, I created two additional video ads for him that he didn't even know. He was like, "What the shit? You created a video ad too? Like, what the hell?" But yeah, this is the ads that we created for him. You can, I'm just gonna brief through. So this is the first one, option two. This is the second ad. This is option one, option two, option three. This is the third ad. So option one, option two, and option three as well. So for the video ads, just gonna play it. There we go. All right, so this is more like a meme type of ad. All right, that's one, and this is number two. So the front is more of like a hook that we actually showcase what he actually says, like in the actual video, all that kind of stuff. So that is video ad number two. So these are all the ads that we created for him, and on top of that, I want to provide even more fucking value. This is crazy, right? I wrote him. There it is. Okay, so I wrote him the description of each ad that he can just copy and paste for himself, right? So this is number one, level up your look. That is the one that you guys saw earlier. So this is the description here, and so on and so forth. And yeah, that's basically it. So we did that for him. We delivered, I think under I think under 48 hours or 24 hours. I believe it's 24 hours. We delivered this before, just under 24 hours, sent it to him, and he loved it. Okay, so yep, that is it for what we actually provided for him. Let me pull my face back up. All right, so if I'm done, right? I've showcased to you the things that I've done for a client that doesn't even pay me. This shit is free, right? So if you want some help with your marketing, you want some help with scaling the business, you are a business owner, this is the type of stuff. This is the type of stuff that you can actually expect from me, right? And if you're an agency owner, this is the stuff that you need to do for your clients before they even get onboarded. Okay, so if you have any questions or you want to work with me, I will leave my Instagram down below, and I'll